How to download live audio rooms on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download live audio rooms on Facebook Mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner, and now click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here just go down and click activity log, and not activity log, sorry, click this one, download your information, and then click the select all and go down until you find live audio rooms. Click on it and then go down here and you will find the create file. Click on it. After you click on it, then just wait and it will be created, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.